This Dalton Wade Real Estate Group property video is presented by Demilis Robles. Welcome to your dream home. This beautiful 3-bedroom, 2-bathroom residence is move-in ready and offers an open floor plan designed for effortless entertaining and everyday living. Step inside to discover brand new flooring, lighting and freshly painted interiors that create a bright and inviting atmosphere. The spacious master suite has a view of the serene pond and features a stylish new vanity with granite countertops. While the additional bedrooms provide ample space and comfort for family or guests. Step outside to your private backyard oasis with breathtaking views and picturesque palm trees, an idyllic space for relaxation, morning coffee or outdoor gatherings. Conveniently located and brimming with charm, this home is a must-see. Schedule your showing today and make it yours. For more information